Military-grade armored steel arrives at the factory. Every plate is inspected before production begins. Digital blueprints guide the precision cutting process. Each body component is cut with millimeter accuracy. Freshly cut components require edge finishing. Robotic grinders remove imperfections and burrs. The chassis serves as the Limousine's structural backbone. Perfect alignment is critical for strength and safety. Robotic welding creates high-strength structural joints. Every weld is engineered for maximum durability. Precision inspection verifies structural accuracy. Even tiny deviations are detected immediately. Armored floor protection is installed next. This layer helps shield occupants from threats below. The armored floor becomes a permanent part of the structure. Continuous welds maximize protection. Massive presses shape the armored body panels. Each contour matches the Limousine design. Shaped armor panels are positioned onto the frame. Laser guidance ensures exact placement. Armor sections are permanently joined together. The protective shell begins to take shape. The armored roof is shaped separately. It must match the body structure perfectly. The roof armor completes the protective shell. Alignment checks guarantee structural integrity. The armored shell is fully sealed. Every seam contributes to passenger protection. The armored shell undergoes digital verification. Only perfect assemblies continue to the next stage. Heavy-duty suspension components are prepared for installation. The reinforced chassis supports the Limousine's armored weight. Critical mounting points are tightened to precise specifications. Digital verification ensures consistent assembly quality. Reinforced springs support the vehicle's increased mass. Heavy-duty dampers improve ride stability. The steering system is integrated into the chassis. Precise alignment is essential for vehicle control. High-capacity brakes are required for armored vehicles. Each component is engineered for controlled stopping power. Brake lines distribute hydraulic pressure throughout the system. Careful routing protects critical components. The powertrain is inspected before installation. Every connection is verified for reliability. The engine is carefully aligned with mounting points. Precision placement prevents future vibration issues. The powertrain becomes a permanent part of the chassis. Torque-controlled fastening ensures long-term durability. The transmission is matched to the installed engine. Accurate alignment ensures efficient power delivery. Power is transferred through a reinforced drive shaft. The system is designed for heavy-duty operation. Protected fuel storage systems are installed next. Shielding helps safeguard critical vehicle functions. Fuel delivery components are connected throughout the chassis. Leak prevention is verified at every junction. The exhaust system is routed through the underbody. Heat shielding protects nearby components. The vehicle becomes a complete rolling chassis. It is now ready for body finishing and systems integration. Body finishing begins with detailed panel inspection. Every surface is checked before installation. Exterior panels are aligned to the armored shell. Laser systems ensure perfect body fit. Panels are secured using multiple joining methods. Strength and appearance are both carefully controlled. Armored doors require reinforced internal structures. Each frame is built to exact specifications. Protective armor is integrated into every door. The layered structure increases occupant protection. Door assemblies are permanently sealed. Every seam is inspected for strength. Heavy-duty hinges support the weight of armored doors. Precise alignment ensures smooth operation. Completed doors are installed onto the body. Alignment is checked before final fastening. Door operation is tested under control conditions. Smooth movement confirms proper alignment. Multi-layer armored glass is prepared for installation. Each panel undergoes strict quality inspection. The armored windshield is installed first. Special adhesives secure the glass structure. Armored side windows are carefully fitted. Precise alignment prevents sealing issues. The rear armored glass completes the protective glazing. Sealing materials ensure weather resistance. Every glass panel is inspected for accuracy. Seals and alignment must meet strict standards.
Surface preparation is essential before painting. Contaminants are removed from every panel.
Primer protects the body from corrosion. It creates the foundation for final paint layers. Controlled heat cures the primer coating. This process improves durability and adhesion. The primary color coat is applied. Robotic systems ensure consistent coverage. Additional layers enhance depth and appearance. Each coat is applied with precise control. A protective clear coat seals the finish. It adds gloss and long-term durability.
Heat curing strengthens the painted finish. The coating reaches its final hardness.
Paint quality is carefully evaluated. Surface perfection is essential. Polishing enhances gloss and clarity. The finish reaches showroom quality. Attention now shifts to electrical integration. Complex wiring networks power vehicle systems. The main wiring harness is installed. Every connector has a designated location. Electronic modules manage critical vehicle functions. Secure installation protects sensitive components. The dashboard structure takes shape. It serves as the control center of the vehicle. Driver information systems are integrated. Displays and controls are tested during installation. Insulation improves cabin comfort and quietness. Multiple layers reduce road and engine noise. The cabin begins receiving its luxury interior. Floor coverings create the foundation for final assembly. Luxury seating installation begins. Reinforced mounts secure every seat position. Seat structures are fixed to the cabin floor. Precise torque ensures passenger safety. Premium upholstery transforms the interior. Each seat is assembled by skilled technicians. Premium upholstery transforms the interior. Each seat is assembled by skilled technicians. The roof liner is carefully installed. It improves comfort and interior appearance. Cabin lighting systems are integrated. Each module is tested during installation. Climate control systems ensure passenger comfort. Airflow components are routed throughout the cabin. Vehicle electronics undergo initial activation. Technicians verify communication across all systems. Exterior detailing enhances the Limousine's appearance. Precision fitment maintains design quality. Advanced lighting systems are fitted to the front fascia. Electrical connections are verified immediately. Rear lighting completes the vehicle illumination system. Functionality is checked during installation. Lighting systems undergo operational testing. Each function must perform flawlessly. Essential operating fluids are added. Automated systems ensure accurate fill levels. Final inspections are completed before startup. Every critical system is verified. The engine starts for the first time. Initial operating parameters are monitored closely. Powertrain performance is evaluated under controlled conditions. Engine and transmission responses are carefully analyzed. Braking performance is verified. Stopping capability must meet strict requirements. Water sealing performance is tested. Inspectors check for leaks throughout the cabin. Interior areas are inspected after water testing. All sealing systems must perform correctly. Final cosmetic inspections are performed. Every detail must meet quality standards. The Limousine is prepared for road evaluation. Performance monitoring equipment is installed. Road testing evaluates real-world performance. Engineers monitor every vehicle response. Handling characteristics are carefully assessed. Suspension systems are evaluated under load. Ride comfort is evaluated on varied surfaces. Engineers monitor vibration levels. Performance data is analyzed by engineers. Results determine final approval status. Final detailing prepares the Limousine for delivery. Every visible surface receives attention. Final identification components are installed. The vehicle now reflects its completed identity. Final approval inspections are conducted. Every system and surface receives one last review. The Limousine successfully passes all inspections. Production certification is officially granted. The North Korea Presidential Armored Limousine is now complete. From raw steel to a fully tested state vehicle, the manufacturing journey is finished.